My Clyde, 4 years ago, nagsimula ang kwento natin. I didn't plan to meet someone like you. Hindi ikaw ang inaasahan ko.
Sir, susunod na eleksyon na.
Pero honestly, ikaw ang pinakamagandang sorpresa sa buhay ko. Tulad ng lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo, wala nang makilala kita, lahat parang bago sa akin. Blurry, exciting, at puno ng first.
Maya, gagalingan mo. Yes.
Okay naman. Naiiyak ako.
Like nobody's watching. Get lost in
I love your sweetness for always putting me first, for staying optimistic and positive kahit ano pa man. For being jolly sa relasyon natin and so easy to be around.
make whatever we believe. I've been waiting my whole life for
True friend. Friend niya and friend, ka-work ko, magjowa. Sa lahat, kasi ano siya tawag dito, laging suportado niya lahat ng desisyon ko. As in talagang, ano siya sa akin, tawag dito, nag-guide din siya sa akin sa lahat ng
I wanna go searching.
We also been there for each other sa mga panahong halos wala na tayo. Sunod-sunod na pagsubok pero hindi tayo bumitaw.
It doesn't matter
Today, magsisimula ang life natin as husband and wife as one.
as long as you are by my side.
Let's build the home na puno ng love, faith, and laughter, baby. Let's do this together, Clyde. Let's build a happy and healthy family together. And I promise to love you in every season of our lives. Nag-aaway man tayo, pero ako pa din ang number 1 mong kakampi sa lahat ng bagay. You are and always be my safe place, my home and my forever. Mahal na mahal kita, babe, now and always.
If you wanna be my girl, well, you got to be kind. Got too many troubles for a woman needs all the time. But if you can do that, baby, come on home. Mama told me you are.
Ang pinakamaganda at ang dancer kong friend. Wow, dancer!
Girl, now don't you be mad. I'm a coming home late. Yeah, you know I've been working that graveyard shift, baby. Ain't been on no date. But if you can do that, baby, come on home.
Babe, today, sa harap ng Diyos, ng pamilya natin, at ng mga taong mahalaga sa atin, pinipili kita araw-araw, habang buhay.
I'm gonna love you all my life. I'm gonna love you all my life.
Yung 4 years namin, sobrang daming dumating rin na tawag dito. Hindi naman problema. Kumbaga, talaga dadaanan yun eh. Oo. lalo na paglibiin. Talagang ang dami struggle namin dalawa hanggat sa ngayon, buti naging okay. I promise to love you not only when life is easy and happy, but also during the times when things get hard and uncertain.
Rivers they may run, and the changes they may come. Oh,
Jeremiah and Eva, be with God, but because for sure, God is always with you. Amen? Happy trip. Happy trip. It's a long, long way to go. Maaring maalon, maaring tumba, aeroplano may mga air pockets. Ayan. But, the pilot is Jesus. No worry. Be happy. With God, we shall always be united as one. Amen? Amen.
Pangako kong magiging tapat ako sa puso, sa salita at sa gawa. Sasaya kasama ka sa bawat tagumpay. At bubuo tayo ng tahanan na puno ng pagmamahal, pananampalataya at pag-unawa.
whenever you start to feel like running, and you forget just who you are.
Bilang asawa mo, ibinibigay ko sa iyo ang aking mga kamay na hawak sa iyo, ang aking balikat na masasandalan mo, at ang puso kong sa iyo lang, ngayon at magpakailanman.
Love you all my life.
Mahal kita, ikaw ang pipiliin ko araw-araw.